I don't go out there to prove anything to anyone. Victory, that's something that you can't experience without, actually being in the moment. I go out there to compete, I go out there to win the game. At the crease when I'm batting, that's where I'm closest to myself. I don't worry about anyone else around me. I hate losing. There's no point putting in so much effort into one thing and then not have the desire to be the best. You have to have that kind of belief. You shouldn't forget it along the way, that what made you pick up that bat and actually go out there and wanting to hit that ball. That feeling is something that's very special and very close to me still, and so if I've sacrificed so much in my life to do what I'm doing now, I want to be the best that I can be. It's hard for me to believe sometimes as well that I've got these many centuries in international cricket or one-day cricket separately, and I just try to forget that moment quickly, because I don't want to think about it too much and then start doubting myself, thinking that it's come too early for me, because I want to achieve something really big, and I want to be known as a player who won a lot of games for India and who scored a lot of runs for the country. So I get that thought and I let go of it, because then I sit down and think all the greats of the game, they start doing that at a very early age. So it's not such a bad thing to start doing that when you're young, and along the lines you keep learning, and you'll have phases, but as long as you can stay consistent, I think that's a very good thing. Initially, a lot about me was wrong. I have tattoos, I like to wear stylish clothes and whatnot. But see, one thing, as I said, it's very easy to focus on those things, but very difficult to improve your skills on a daily basis without thinking about the result too much. Yeah. My basic thinking is, if I'm going into a practice session, I want to learn something, I want to improve. I want to be an improved cricketer, even if it's by 0.1% after the end of each practice session. I don't go in thinking I'm going to slog the ball today or there's no purpose to practice. You make sure you stack up your hard work every day, and then it pays off at some stage. There's no magic wand that I have that I'm just swinging it and I'm scoring runs. Everyone wants to do well. Everyone wants to score runs. It's about how much you believe that you can do it. I think is the major factor at the international level, and I back myself to go out there and win the game, or probably contribute as much as I can for the team to win every time that I step onto the field. As a cricketer, you don't have a long career, so you need to cherish every opportunity that you get. For me, stepping into the cricket field is an opportunity, not a pressure situation. I look at it as a challenge that I need to overcome. It's a feeling that it's more addictive than anything else around you. So once you get addicted to it, you want more and more of it, because as a sportsman, that gives you the most satisfaction, and then job satisfaction is something that any athlete would like to experience, because you work so hard every day of your life. You want that satisfaction at the end of a game, that yes, I've given in 120% for my team, and I've been able to contribute or probably finish the game for my team and ended up on the winning side. So I think, to sum up all of that, that would be my view on it.